Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download video from Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app right here. Go to the videos, tap on the search icon. Now here you can see NASA Earth. Just tap here. Here are the videos of the NASA. Let's open one of the video and here you can see the share option. Just tap on it and here you can see copy link. Just tap here on copy link. Now you have to go to your browser and search here Facebook downloader dot net. Here you can see F downloader. Just tap here. Here you just have to paste your link right here. Go to download and here you have to select the quality. So all I have to do is tap on one of the video. Just tap on download. Here you can see downloading file. So and here you can see my video is downloaded. If I tap here on it and you can see the video is playing. So this is how you can easily download your videos on Facebook. Hope you guys like my video.